Have you ever pondered the purpose of a footnote? That tiny, often overlooked text that sits at the bottom of a page? What exactly does it do? Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of footnotes, tracing their journey from inception to their current usage. Footnotes have been around for centuries. They first started to make their appearance in the scholarly world during the Renaissance period in the 15th and 16th centuries. However, it wasn't until the 17th century that they became a common feature in academic works. Initially, writers used footnotes as a way to display their breadth of knowledge, often citing numerous sources to prove their point. As time progressed, the function of footnotes evolved. By the 18th century, they had become a way for authors to add commentary or personal observations that didn't quite fit into the main body of their work. They were also used to provide additional context or clarification, making the text more accessible to the reader. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we see footnotes being used in a variety of ways across different mediums. They're not just confined to academic texts anymore. Novels, newspapers, and even comic books use footnotes to offer additional insight or explanations. Now, in the 21st century, footnotes still hold an essential place in written works. They provide a means of crediting sources, adding context, and offering additional information without interrupting the flow of the main text. They are the silent helpers of the written world, working in the background to improve the reader's understanding and experience. And how does one use a footnote? It's simple. When you want to add a footnote, you insert a small number or symbol at the end of the sentence or phrase. This corresponds to a similar number or symbol at the bottom of the page where you write your additional information or reference. So, there you have it, the journey of footnotes from the Renaissance period to the digital age. They've been used to show off knowledge, add commentary, provide context, and clarify points. And they continue to do so, playing a crucial role in our understanding of texts. To sum up, footnotes are the unsung heroes of the written world, quietly guiding us to a deeper understanding of the text. They've come a long way since their inception, and their journey is a testament to the ever-evolving nature of written communication. So, the next time you stumble upon a footnote, give it a second glance. You never know what treasures it might hold.